Question number 13 is about property measurable. Remember what is it mean by the metal, because a metal can make it hammer it to a very thin layer. We call it a measurable. And it is similar to the other one, we call it ductile. It means that we can elongate it to a long wire. Both have the same explanation. But look at the question, you find out two answer is wrong, obviously, because first of all, everything about metal ion is a positive. Positive ion, we call it the anion. So obviously cation are wrong. So why they can be measurable or ductile? Because metal have a lot of layers of metals, okay? Layers and layers, and each layer can slide each other a little bit, so you can extend them, you can make them a thin layer, you can make them long, very narrow easily. So what is the answer? The answer is B. Layers of anions are held together by delocalized electrons, so these layers of ion can spread out easily. So you got it? Well done. See you for the next question.